What up world, it's your boy Stan Lewis, your favorite trader, you just don't know it yet. Welcome to Inkazimulo Center, la ngifundisa khona ama-traders like you from absolute beginners how to understand market trends, how to trade forex, indices, and how to build discipline as a trader. I've been on the grind myself for the past 5 years, learning from the ups and downs of the market, the wins and losses, and now I'm passing it on to you guys. Especially on YouTube for free, I have a lot of content there. And if we are sizwa isiZulu, today I'm dropping lesson 1.1 from the Smart Money Bootcamp, la ngizobe ngifundisa khona how to trade from absolute beginner level to advanced level. And the episode is dropping at 9 p.m. South African time. Make sure you don't miss it, okay? And if you are serious and you are ready to grow with a community of traders, you are in the right place.